mommy and daddy gonna buy both for you. Is that okay? And that's your price when we reach 150 books, okay? High five. Oh, what do you say to daddy?
Thank you, Daddy.
Okay. She's doing a 100 book challenge.
Hi guys, I got 2 dolls. I'm gonna open the other one by reading 40, 100, but okay, I'm just kidding. I did 140. How much I did. I got the idea of, my mom got an idea of doing 100 book challenge because we saw it on Ryan. They did like 90. They did like a 99. They did like a book challenge, but yeah. Really good. Hi guys, boo! I scared you there. I didn't. Just got the box ready to open at the house, so it won't be harder. So I'm just gonna do it now. Ta-da! I'm just gonna punch her out. Get out of here, girl. Girl, get out of here. I don't want you in this box. I'm gonna have to push you out there. Sorry. But I have to get pushed out. Okay. Ready, steady, get out. I'm gonna need the scissors, please. Guys, what's so funny about this? There was a bag in another bag. Get it? That's so funny. Why is there a bag in a bag? Let me open this. The clothes, it's closed. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's her jacket. Ooh, nice. It's her pants. Okay. This is for Scully Boo pants. Now we're gonna go back to her and her locker. Sweetheart. Comes with the stand. Can I go get my stuff here? They're in the boxes. Let's get them out, please. In here. Oh, I get these shoes in here. Shoes out. Yes, shoes. Okay, you have to put her stockings back on. Okay. I have one staple. Ow! I put it on the wrong foot. Ah. What's that? Is it her earrings? No, these are her glasses. There's her earrings and stuff.
That's big earrings, huh?
Yeah. This earring goes. You can, but it's hard to take off. It's hard to put on. You have to put them on. There we go. Hi guys, my name is Roller Skater? Roller Rink? I don't know my name at all. I'm not roller skating anyways. Bye guys! I am the best doll ever and I have to get my disco bag. Get my bag here. I need my bag. It is my most important thing of all. I can never lose my purse. I want to open it. Give me my purse. I need to open my purse. Oh, my purse is just so lovely. I'm in the whole entire world. Put my purse back together. I have to go get my purse. It's flying somewhere. My bag is the #1 thing, and it is helping me win competitions. I thought I tried to set my bag. I lost. So I need my bag to win. So I always do that. I always bring my bag to my fashion show. Yeah, you should read books so you can get rewards. Goodbye. My doll wants to talk a little bit more.
Okay.
Here we go, guys. Okay. I'll just put her on her stand and she'll talk. I really want friends too. I'm also excited to read more books because I can get more dolls. And guys, she's gonna do her fashion show now, and you're gonna watch her. Hello, guys, Moa. I'm the most prettiest person on earth, except the queen. But I am the most second beautiful person on this world, and that's me. Bye.